Well, the snow is here. We're going to have 27, they're saying that we're going to have 27 centimeters of snow. I'm in the RV. Yeah. So it should be an interesting morning when I get up in the morning. Hopefully it won't be too bad to dust off the car and go into Kingston. Well, I'm in Kingston, but just outside of Kingston, and get to work. Hopefully the roads won't be too bad. Yeah. But, yeah. And my setup is a minus 15 sleeping bag and a sleeping bag on top of that, plus a heating sleeping bag that works actually well. I got it on Amazon for $103 or something like that. And I hope everybody drives safe tomorrow morning when they go to work or whatever they're doing. Yep. So, yeah. Then I'll have my morning coffee, head out. Please be safe. Drive slow. Don't be in a rush, because that causes accidents if you're busy, especially if you're on the 401 in Ontario. So that's my update today, or tonight. It's starting to snow now. I got my wiper blades up for in the morning. Again, I'm on in abandoned parking lots. So please be safe, especially driving on the 401. And if I need heat, I have that little heater, and I use my Pecron E350. E600 LEP. To keep me warm. It works well. I'm not really heating the whole car. I'm just, when it needs to be warmed up, I just put that on to warm it up and shut it off, and then I just plug into the heating sleeping bag with the power pack, and that keeps me going. But yeah, that's the outside of it right now. I don't know what that is. I think it's a business of some sort. But yeah. So please subscribe to the video, ring the bell. It helps the channel out. If you don't like the comments, if you don't like the content, please let me know. Put a comment in the comment section is. Thanks. Please subscribe, ring the bell, and have a safe morning and night. Bye for now.